Welcome to ecopenny. What are we doing today? I've got a 7-year-old Brother colour laser printer, the DCP9015CDW. It's been a faithful servant, good quality printer and scanner for 7 years, but now it's thrown up a waste toner error. So should I throw the printer away or try and fix the error? Well, of course, throwing away the printer is quite wasteful and a waste of money. It's still working fine. So I need to replace the waste toner box to clear that error. So I bought my own replacement from Dynamic Office Supplies in Sydney. Thanks to them, they sent me a little tea bag too. Nice peppermint tea. I'll try that out sometime later. So I've got this toner box. So what this does, it sits in the bottom of the printer. I didn't know about this until this error message came out. Sits at the bottom of the printer and it collects all the loose bits of toner, which is like a fine powder, that haven't been printed onto the paper. And over 7 years, that box, depending on how often you print, starts to get full and the printer tells you it needs to be replaced. So you can't empty the box. The little box, you've got to replace it, so that's just how it is. So let's see what's in this package. Only took a couple of days to send from Sydney to Bathurst. Pretty happy with that. See what's in this box. So at least I don't have to throw away the whole printer. Open this up carefully. Okay, it's got a how-to guide how to install, which would be useful. So mainly cardboard packaging, which is great. It's recyclable. So that's our waste toner box, what it looks like. So you have to follow the instructions. We've got to take out the toner cartridges from the top, get to the bottom of the printer, something I've never seen before. So let's get to replacing this. So here's the printer in all its glory, the Brother DCP9015CDW. It's got a scanner too, flatbed scanner on the top, which is really useful. And it's a colour laser. It takes A4 paper. Really good quality unit. I've had it for over 7 years and it's been working fine. So let's get this waste toner box replaced. You have to have a hard surface with paper on it to put all the toner cartridges here temporarily. They may spill toner, so you have to have something down like this to catch any spilt toner.
Chuck told me I'm not real. Am I real?
So first thing you got to do is turn the printer on before we start the procedure. So it says WT box ends soon on the display. So eventually it won't print at all, so it's best to replace it as soon as possible. So we'll just cancel that box message. So you need to open it up from the bottom here. Open up the lid completely, carefully remove the 3 colours and the black and put them on your flat surface. You've got to be careful what you touch as well because the printer's on. So we'll grab out, make sure the correct colour goes in the correct position, so I'll put them on the bench in the same order. Next thing you got to do is pull out the belt. So it's got a green bit, you just pull it up like that. I've never seen this before. There's all our cartridges and the belt on our flat surface with paper underneath. There's the bowels of the printer and there's our waste toner box. So we need to take out this orange thing here. Turn it sideways. This is a packing thing, it doesn't need to go back in. And all we do is grab this handle and lift out the waste toner box. And it is the WT220CL, which I looked it up. That was the correct one for my printer. So I'll have to find out if this can be recycled with where you recycle toner cartridges, or I'll have to ask. Be careful, this might spill toner, so I'll put it flat on my bench. Unwrap our new one. Got scissors here, might as well use them. You don't touch anything here. Slot our new one in. So it just literally sits in the bottom, put it in. That looks good. And we'll pull our belt in and our toner back in. We'll start with the black. While I'm here, might as well just clean the corona wire, just move this backwards and forth a few times. Give it just a little bit of a shake. Put it back in. Sign, making sure your colours are correct here, matching up. Magenta. Now yellow. We'll close the hood and see what happens. So it shouldn't have the error message. I'll click on settings. Should be all good. Just turn it off. Turn it back on again and hopefully it doesn't say the error message. Hooray! Problem solved. So in my case it didn't leave much of a mess, but it's better to be prepared just in case. Kudos to Brother for having the instructions here that you followed. So I'll put this in the original box where the new one was in and see if I can recycle it. The T2 peppermint tea is beautiful. Nice little treat to get from the toner box package. So I hope that was interesting and informative, seeing how to replace the waste toner box on a Brother printer. Thanks to the 651 subscribers I've got so far. Great effort. Thanks to them all. We're going to head towards 1,000 subscribers soon. So it's definitely worthwhile to maintain your equipment, try and keep them running. If things need spare parts, try and replace the parts. kudos to Brother for actually having spare parts available for the printer and not just having error code, waste tamer box full, throw away the printer, which a lot of things are like that, so I'm glad I could do that. So hopefully I'll get a few more years out of my Brother printer. Catch you next time. Rolling.